Hey guys, I skipped a few steps, but I'm gonna make a small update for now. What I've done so far was that I replaced the power steering, I'm sorry, and as you can see the new is set on the undercarriage, the subframe, and it is ready on it. I had to replace the ball joints, the outer and the inner are completely new, the dust protectors are new on the both sides, and along with that I had to replace this top shaft, because basically this whole piece, because you can see that this is the old one from the old power steering and it is completely dry. Over here there are no leaks visible and any oil or something like that, while the one that it came with this, obviously it has, I'm sorry, I have a little bit of help over here, so I won't be able to show you this because this small cut over here, it feels like playing a bit, so I'm not in the mood, but anyway, so it has oil contamination, so I decided to replace it and not leave this to chance. The other stuff that I had to replace were this ball joint over here is new. These bushings over here are completely new on the both sides. As you can see, the bushings on the two control arms are replaced as well. They are new. This is the old ball joint, but you can see that it is still in pretty good condition because obviously it was replaced a while back, and it doesn't need replacing. The same story was with these bushings over here, but I decided not to leave anything to chance and just to replace them. And along with them, I replaced the bushings that are for this lever as well. So everything is assembled and it is ready to be mounted. Over here I have assembled back the engine. I have cleaned a bit the top half because I ended up replacing the gasket that sits over here beneath the valve cover. So I took everything that you see over here away, apart and away from the cover, and cleaned it and replaced the gasket. Actually, let me just show you the gasket, the old one. I'm sorry. Over here, this is the small one is for the valve cover and the bigger one is for the oil pan, and I have replaced her as well. I didn't capture that on video, I'm sorry, but because it was very annoying to just work on this job, and it was cramped over here. As you can see, I don't have much space to work with, and it was dark the whole time. Pretty much nothing would have been visible if I would have tried to make a video about it. I'm gonna show you what I've done beneath the car. As I said, I have replaced this gasket as well. You can see that there is a new seal over there. I'm sorry I can't show you properly because I'm holding on the light. New oil filter along with it, and a new seal for the draining point, and obviously the gearbox is in place. And now I have what I have left to do is a couple of nuts here and there that I haven't tightened yet, and I'm gonna install the subframe, so I'm gonna be able to move forward with assembly.